What's up, everybody? Today we got an unboxing video for the new Mercedes suspension, and we're just gonna hop right into installation, see what happens.
Perfect.
Get started on this hoopty because we need to install those bad boys. Yes, ma'am. I can't wait. I cannot wait. This is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be awesome. I'm so sick of this Mercedes bottoming out. It looks good though. I mean, the height is clean. But I'm not about that lowering spring life. You've probably heard me say it before, and I'm sure it's not gonna be the last time, but I don't think that's the right way to do it. Anyway, do what you want. That's not what I wanna do, so I'm not gonna. I think I'm gonna paint these wheels black too sometime and put some like knobby all-terrain. Falcon makes these like crossover all-terrain tires. That's gonna be sick. So maybe someday in the future, because these tires are still good and I need new tires on the Magnum pretty bad. They're baldy bald. So yeah. Okay. All right, change of plans. Got family coming into town this weekend, so I didn't have time to schedule an alignment, and I stripped a bolt, or I started stripping some bolts on the suspension. Just not gonna work out in time, so well, I put the Mercedes back out in the driveway, and there's not enough room to park both of these cars in here right now, so I parked the less valuable one in here that I like more. It's kind of funny how that works. Anyway, that video is going to be delayed. We'll release this one anyway, but you won't see the install until the next video, or maybe a couple videos from now, because I got some other footage I might throw in between, some cruising and stuff. So yeah, that's what's going on. What else are we doing? Bam's coming into town. Oh, the reason being, I'm letting them borrow that car while they're here so they don't have to rent a car. And I'm just gonna drive this one instead, which is what I like driving more anyway. So they're gonna be here for like a week. They're only gonna be here at my place for a few days, but then they're taking that car up to Seattle, so I won't have it for at least a week. And then, not this weekend, but the weekend after, I'll probably start and finish the suspension, and then schedule the alignment, and then order extra hardware just in case, because some of the crap that they make for this OEM stuff is just not good. Look at this. Freaking lug bolts. First of all, why? Like, why do the stud thing? Can you just make a lug nut like all the other cars I've owned? So anyway, this thing's all chewed up, and I didn't even hit it with an impact. I did that with a breaker bar. I bought these, and they're like a little bit too long. If you see next to here, it's literally like 1 inch too long. And I don't understand why, but it's like the stud bottoms out. And so they're made so precise that you can't even have like one tiny little point something or another off. Otherwise they don't fit. And it looks like the ball on this one is like sharper than this one, it's wider. So they probably don't even sit in there the same. So they, not only are they longer, they probably go in further. Anyway, I gotta figure out a solution for that, order some new lug bolts or cut those ones, which I think is kind of ghetto. I'm just gonna return them and get the right ones instead. Because they said that those were for the GLK 350 2013. They're not. They're not. So yeah, a couple other things I guess we could cover. I added this is kind of stupid, but it's a big improvement to me. I put this whiteboard up here so I can like write down what I'm doing. I got the torque specs for the suspension in the front, the Mercedes, the lug bolts, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the rear. That way I can like keep track of what I'm doing. And you know what, actually, I need to update this because the lug bolts actually are 110 foot-pounds, not 100. That was a different model. It's really hard to find service manuals for these things. So yeah, once we get the suspension done, we're gonna get into these goodies down here for this girl right here. And that's what's up. That's what's on the plate for this summer. I got some Automobuilds slaps. I don't think I'm gonna sell them. I might just give them away to the first like 100 people that ask or something like that, since we have such a small following right now. By the way, thanks for subscribing and hanging out and watching either way. If you want a sticker, hit me up on social media, tag us, ask for one. Maybe I'll send you one. Maybe I won't. We'll see. They look like this. Pretty sweet when the car's not dirty. But yeah, they're gonna be like the OG Automobuilds slaps. Probably change them down the road, or maybe cut the social media piece off and just leave it with the logo. I don't know. But it'd be kind of fun to get in on that, I guess. I bought a bunch of them. I'll give some away. Why not? Yeah. So anyway, thanks for coming by. I'm gonna go wash the Mercedes. Maybe we'll time lapse that in this video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.